Welcome to Dojo House, where you can immerse yourself in the vibrant culture of Nottingham while enjoying an unparalleled student accommodation experience. Choose from various studios that offer privacy and freedom, allowing you to make the space your own. Each room features large windows overlooking lush green trees, providing a refreshing start to your day. Sink into the comfort of the cozy beds, making you feel right at home. Accompanying this is a study desk with ample shelf space for all your books and stationery, as well as a spacious wardrobe to store your belongings. The fully equipped kitchen boasts modern appliances, including a cooktop and oven, ensuring you have everything you need to prepare delicious meals. A lot of cabinet storage is provided for snacks and ingredients. Additionally, this property offers a range of common amenities like a pool table, gym, and laundry room, adding to the convenience and enjoyment of your stay. Situated within proximity to Nottingham Trent International College and the University of Nottingham, the campus buzzes with student life. A short walk away, Tesco Express provides easy access to essentials, making your daily grocery runs a breeze. Take the next step in your academic journey by booking your perfect stay at Dojo House in Nottingham through amberstudent.com today.